Before you can measure flavor compounds, you need to prepare your sample. For flavor profiling, this step could not be easier. It's a direct liquid injection with no extraction or filtration needed. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. But first, you're going to need a few basic things. You're going to need your beer or wine sample, cleaned 2 milliliter vials, pipettes with tips for accurate transfers, and a gas chromatograph with an FID detector. That's a flame ionization detector. We're going to be using the Ellutia 200 series GC. Now, for the sample prep. First, you're going to need to degas your sample. You're going to do that by pouring it back and forth between 2 beakers until the foaming stops. This removes all of the CO2 in the sample so that it doesn't interfere with the injection when we're doing it. Then you're going to transfer some of that into clean 2 ml vials. You're going to tightly cap it, seal it, load it into the auto sampler, or get it ready for manual injection if you're going to be running the system that way. And that's all there is to it. A couple of quick tips though. Always use clean glassware and a fresh pipette tip for each sample. Avoid overfilling the vials and leave small headspace at the top. Label everything clearly so your results stay organized. And that's it. A simple degas, simple pipette, and your sample is ready for flavor analysis. With direct injection, preparation is minimal, and that makes GC analysis both efficient and repeatable. If you found this useful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments what other lab prep steps you would like to see. Thanks for watching.